Hello everyone, we're in San Francisco. We're on this thing. I've never seen one like this before. It looks like this. We had to climb all the way up. It was a real struggle. It's so cool. I don't know where we are, but yeah, adults aren't allowed. We're getting ready to see Dua Lipa, but first...
Tulip!
Tulip, get it? Dua too?
Dua Lipa? Tulip?
But first we're here, sitting on some blue ropes.
Gonna get some lunch.
Dinner.
What time is it? Oh, it's 4:50. We're gonna get some dinner.
We're gonna check out Sam's.
My man Sam.
My man. Our man.
Our man Sam.
It's gonna be really fun.
Pretty excited. There's a slide over there. There's children on it.
So we can't go there right now. It's a beautiful day in SF. There's such cool buildings around, so we're just hanging out.
We're city gals.
Yep.
Living the dream.
Living the SF dream, right?
The American dream. Steve Peters.
And bye. How's your iced coffee, Talia?
Great.
How's your iced coffee now? Success.
We don't know where we are.
We're currently in Big Sur somewhere.
The
Big Sur Inn.
Oh, it's cute.
We're trying to find some waterfalls.
Yeah, but we don't know where they are or how to get to them.
And we can't find a map, and there's no service.
We don't have service. So, wish us luck.
So far it's been a pretty good day. I mean, we got kicked out somewhere.
Because we murdered 7 people by bringing 2 salads.
Apparently, we're ruining their whole business by
Apparently we were
bringing
single-handedly
2 salads and some Trader Joe's Cheetos. They were like, oh, sorry, you're gonna ruin, you know, we're trying to stay business. But
there were like 1,000 people there.
There was probably like 200 people there.
So I don't think we're ruining
Every
their
chair
business,
was
I'm
full,
just saying.
and then the grass was all, like, everyone was sitting out on the lawn too. It looked like a great time. It was pretty fun. We took some pics.
Had some music.
Had some live music. Cassidy played. We're like, really good.
I played the tuba.
Yep, it was great.
Yeah.
Sorry you missed it. We forgot to vlog.
We stopped at a bridge and almost died.
Oh yeah, we took some pics on Bigsby, you know, the famous bridge. We might try to do on the way back, but now the sun's gone. But before the sun was annoying.
Yeah, so you can't win. That's what I learned.
We really can't win.
Also, I still don't know where this is going.
Yeah.
We're pretty far out in here into Big Sur.
Yeah. It's getting scarier, the weather.
Little
Oh my god. And it's just getting so foggy. It's kind of scary.
I don't really know what's happening.
At least there's a lot of other cars here, so we're not alone.
Yeah, true. But they're mostly going the opposite directions.
That's true. They're all leaving. They're like, get out of here.
Yeah, they're trying to warn us.
There's 2 cars right in front of us.
So you never know.
Here's some nature shots. Can you see the water? No, because it's foggy.
I look cool in the fog.
Ooh, that is where we're gonna.
I feel like I'm in Twilight right now.
Yeah, like Edward.
Edward, where are you?
He's right here. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. See, there's 2 other people in the road. We're not.
As we said.
As we said, there's 2 other people. We're fine.
Thanks for watching.
Well, see you later, hopefully. We're still alive.
Might die.
Update, there's only
now one person.
One, the other guy,
he was too afraid.
Look at the water, you can't see it.
But I don't really know where the waterfall is. And even if we get to it, I feel like we won't be able to see it.
But, I don't know, is it worth it? Leave a comment now. And see if you'll be right.
Let us know.
Yeah, let us know what you think. And then later on in the vlog, we'll tell you if we're there or not, you know?
Hey guys.
So update. Okay, so we keep forgetting to vlog, but
we did go to the place.
We found a waterfall. However,
we couldn't even get to it.
They don't let you go down to see it. You can only see it from far away.
Yeah.
So sorry, you can't see. I'll put a picture here.
And here, and here, and here.
So after that, we went to a really cool Henry Miller.
Oh, we should have videoed that.
I know. We went to this really cool bookstore.
And I got to take a picture with the flag of my people.
Yeah,
I'll put a picture here.
And then we pet a cat. They have cats there, but we only saw one of them.
I saw a dog also.
Oh yeah, there was a dog chilling in there on the floor.
Yeah, they had a lot of classic American worker Vonnegut. There was. There's not very cultured in her
What did you say?
I said Kurt Vonnegut.
Oh,
Jack Kerouac.
Jack Kerouac. I know who that is.
Okay.
And John Steinbeck.
Yeah. Lots of classic.
Yeah. The sun came back out, as you can probably tell by.
Can't really see anything.
Can you tell?
Yeah. Sure.
Sure. But it came out, and now it's nice and warm. Like I can feel the warmth in the car. It feels nice.
Yeah. I just turned the AC on. That's how warm it is.
Yeah, that's how warm it is here. Whoa.
Oh. I saw a huge RV and it scared me.
Yeah. And then we found another, since we were looking for some like nice turquoise water, so we finally found some. We were like, oh, we're gonna go down, and then no trail. What's up with Big Sur having these cool places, but you can't actually go to them? You can only look at them from far away.
It's rude.
Yeah.
I'm starting a petition.
Pics from the distance, but nothing to really show you, except for here.
And here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all I have to say about that.
That's it. We're heading back now.
Yeah.
Lots more miles to go.
Yeah. We went out there.
One time there was even a sign that said Big Sur 6 miles. We're like, whoa.
We like left
We're
Big
6
Sur,
miles
yeah.
away from Big Sur. I
We
thought
didn't
we
even
were
know.
in Big Sur.
We were not.
We weren't. So
Yeah.
that's all.